What's up guys? So I just stumbled on a video by Tyler the Creator and I wanted to make a video about it because I see a lot of you guys making this mistake. Pretty much 95% of you guys make this mistake, and it's something that can be corrected, and once corrected can really change the game for you. But before I even get into my explanation of why this is so important, let me just go ahead and play the clip.
They'll put a song out, they'll put it in their story, and that's it. That's it. You went through something, you wrote words down, you figured it out in the structural format, found music to go along with it, you recorded it. Most of the time you don't just do it in one take, you go back and forth, fix some parts, get some parts replayed. That's the one. You play it for people. Yeah, do this. You edit it. You mix it. And you mean to tell me that you're going to be passive with your own and just put it on your story once? Are you fucking crazy, bro? I'm still promoting my album that came out in June. It's a year out and I'm still out here like, call me if you get lost. Like, right? And what I notice is that some of these, the younger guys and girls, they like, oh yeah, I got a song out, and they forget about it. And I'm like, no, let motherfuckers know. Tell people, because I put time and love and too much energy into this finished project just to put it on Instagram and forget about it. Like, no, promote your, let people know, be proud of that you made. So when you said that you proudly stand by it, I was like, oh, it's a whole bunch of who don't have that. So I think that that's beautiful.
So I actually want you guys to drop in a comment what you took away from what he just said. For me, what he's saying is to continue to promote your song. No matter how old it is, it can still have value. I actually do this myself. I still promote songs that I made 3-4 years ago. And the reason I do that is because these songs have a lot of social proof, and they have easily continued to drive the most traffic to me. So Tyler is basically saying that why would you put so much energy into creating something to only post it on your story once? That is absurd. And a lot of you guys do this. You make a song and you literally post one post on your Instagram about it, or you only make a story about it, or you promote it for maybe a week and then that's it. Now, what he's saying is it's crazy to do that because each song has value. It's kind of like this. The more songs you have out, the more touch points you have to getting someone to listen or hear your music. If you only promote your song once, then you may never connect with the person that might actually like that song. And because you're not continuously promoting that song, it doesn't make you look as active. So if you're not consistently making music, then you should continue to promote old music, no matter how old they are. I, to this day, continue to promote old music from 3-4 years ago. And why is that? Because there's millions of people out there who's never heard that song before. I keep promoting it until it reaches a wider and wider audience. It's funny because I'm actually doing this right now. I released a song 3-4 years ago independently, and I'm re-releasing it on my record label that I just started a few months ago. And the reason I'm doing this is because this song has proven to drive a lot of followers and fans my way. So instead of keeping it independent, I gave it a refresh and released it on an album. I actually tell you guys to do this all the time. If you release songs independently, then it's about frequency. Release as many songs as you can in as short period as time, but you have to be consistent. You keep releasing music until you find a winner. Once you find a winning song, you take your 2, 3, 8 winning songs and compile it together in an album. This gives that album a really great shot because it is compiled of a lot of strong songs that you've made in the past. Basically, what we're saying is continue to promote old songs no matter how old it is, because these songs can continue to get you more fans. You don't want to ever stop promoting old music. So my challenge for you guys is, if you have a lot of old songs, I want you to go back and take a look at the data that all these songs have and see which one of your songs performed the best. And then I want you to take all the songs that performed the best and I want you to put it in an album. Now this strategy works the most effectively when you have released it independently. If your song has been released with a record label, then I would actually recommend a different strategy for you. So as you guys know, on my channel, I promote download gates a lot. So basically what a download gate is basically giving your music out for free in exchange for someone giving you their information or following you on a platform. So if your song is released to a label, what I recommend is actually to get permission from the label to give your song out for free, especially if it's an old song. Now, what you want to do is you want to try to use this song to capture more potential fans. So you get permission from the label, you create a download gate, you give your song out for free, you run ads to that song, and this is refreshing that track. Because it's old, most people never probably heard it before. So now that you're running ads to it, people will probably think it's a new song and they'll give it a second shot, and they'll also download it. And when they download it, it will increase your followers and help you gain more fans in the long run. Because whenever someone downloads your song or purchases any of your song, they have an high intent. So they're the easiest type of people to convert into fans. I want you guys to go out and try this strategy. And again, listen to Tyler, the Creator. Don't ever stop promoting your old music. So hopefully you found value from this video. If you did, please support the channel by subscribing to the channel, giving this video a thumbs up, and dropping me a comment. Would actually love to know what you guys thought about Tyler, the Creator's advice. So let me know in the comments. Now, if you're curious on how to promote your old videos, then check out one of these videos right here. It's gonna walk you through how to run paid ads to old videos and get your music in front of a lot more people so they'll actually think it's new. So go check out one of those videos over there.